Alright, folks, gather around because I've got a story that's as electrifying as a Tesla in ludicrous mode. You know, before Elon Musk was even daydreaming about electric rockets on wheels, there was a guy named David Andreyev who was already living that Tesla dream. Picture this: a Model 3 compact sedan, reborn as something he calls the CyberRoadster. Yeah, it's like the love child of a Cybertruck and a Tesla Roadster, but also a bit of Corvette spice thrown in. David, a Sacramento native and car conversion wizard, embarked on this wild project 2 years ago. It started with a crashed Model 3 Performance. You know, the kind of car most people would send to the scrap heap. But not David. He saw potential. He stripped it down in his driveway, and before long, he had to move to a shop because his neighbors were probably thinking, "Is this guy building a spaceship?" He tore it apart, welding and cutting until hardly anything was left of the original Model 3 except the hood and doors. And let me tell you, the CyberRoadster now looks nothing like its former self. Got the muscular flair of a Corvette, the futuristic vibe of a Cybertruck, and a nod to the Roadster in the rear. And that glass? Almost all bespoke. David's been documenting this journey on his social media, turning his YouTube channel into the CyberRoadster Chronicles. He aimed for the spotlight, and boy, did he hit it. Using parts of two highly anticipated Tesla models in the name, Cybertruck and Roadster, was a stroke of genius. People have been waiting for the Cybertruck since November 25, 2019, and they're still waiting for the Roadster, first shown on November 17, 2017. David might just sell his CyberRoadster before Tesla even drops theirs. Now, for the tech specs, because I know you're all car geeks at heart. He kept the Model 3 Performance powertrain, 480 horsepower, 471 pound-feet of torque, dual motor setup. This baby used to do 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.2 seconds. And the build? It's cost him $50,000 so far, and he's still counting. He's got OEM lights, a custom 12-volt LED light bar, a taillight strip from a 2023 Lexus LX600, and even relocated the charging port. He's got a yoke steering wheel from Hansho and lowered seats by 3 inches. David's taken his masterpiece to car meets, and guess what? Everyone knows it because they've seen it online. This guy's a legend, shooting to stardom with his mad scientist car conversion. Remember his name, David Andreyev, the man who built a CyberRoadster before Tesla even rolled out of bed.